Hello and welcome back to my channel, That Geeky Gal. My name is Gracie and welcome to day 12 of 12 days of Harry Potter Christmas. This is my last ornaments. These ornaments are Harry Potter themed, things that represent Harry and that are gingerbread themed. I wanted to do something gingerbread and I had seen this idea on Pinterest a lot, and I can't make gingerbread cookies because my oven's broken, so I decided what represents Harry. His scar, his glasses, his golden snitch, and of course the Deathly Hollow sign. And so I decided I'll make these into gingerbread ornaments. So grab your stuff and let's get started. Materials will always be down in the description box below. Okay, you're gonna need a piece of cardboard, some white acrylic paint, a pen, an Xacto knife, a ruler, some twine, circle template, a paintbrush really thin, glue gun, and glue stick. Okay, you're gonna need a cardboard box. And on my cardboard box, I'm just gonna trace out the images that I want. So I'm gonna use this little measuring cup as a circle template, and I'm gonna make this circle for my Deathly Hollow sign. Now, I wanna make sure that my Deathly Hollow sign is nice and equal. And so the first time I had done it, it didn't come out the way I wanted to. It wasn't equal enough, but that's okay. You can always redo it again. And so now I'm just checking my sides, and it's ready to go. Now I'm going to use that circle template again, and I'm going to make my golden snitch. So I made my first side first, and then I measured out with my ruler like how long the tip was. And so I did eyeball that and make sure I put a little point. And then I figured out where the tip was exactly, made another point, and just redrew the wings. Good enough. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is grab that same circle template, make two circles, and these are going to be Harry's glasses. And then you connect them to make the bridge and a little bit of the frame. And the last one I'm going to make is a lightning bolt. So I think I should have made this one a little bit thicker, but it's fine. So there are my pieces. Next thing you want to do is you want to grab your cutting board and cut out your pieces with the Xacto knife. Cutting things with an Xacto knife, guys, is so much nicer. It leaves your project so much more cleaner. I can't believe I was using scissors for the longest time. So go ahead and cut each one out. And here they are. Okay, with some white acrylic paint, what you're gonna do is you're gonna grab your small tipped brush, and we're just gonna paint on there as if it was a cookie. So for the Deathly Hollow sign, it's okay if you can see the circle in the front, because I want to use that circle template to be able to paint over it. So I'm gonna paint a little bit of a frame, a border on my triangle. Now it doesn't have to look super perfect. The lines can be as messy as you want because it is kind of representing frosting. So it's completely fine if they're not straight. So I made my circle, and now I'm going to make my middle line. Now remember, this is a cookie and it's Christmas time, so we got to make it a little bit festive. So you can add as many designs as you wanted to. I'm just going to add some swirls, a couple of dots, some swirls in the middle, Deathly Hollow sign is finished. Cute. Alright, I'm going to start doing Harry's glasses. Harry's glasses were a little bit complicated for me, but it's okay. If you mess up, you can just turn it over and do it on the other side. So you want to go ahead and make the glasses inside of the cutout. You don't want to actually trace the cutout like we did with the Deathly Hollow sign. You're just actually going to leave a little bit of a border. Now for the time being, I did leave Harry's glasses like this. I was trying to think about what I wanted to do. Okay, so time for the golden snitch. The golden snitch is going to be a little bit kind of like the Deathly Hollows, in where I want to see the actual circle that I drew. So go ahead and frame out, border the wings. I'm going to make a little bit of some decoration for the wings to, give it that effect that they're fluttering. And then same thing for the circle, you just want to go ahead and paint the inside. I kind of had forgotten what the golden snitch looked like, but it's okay. It's a gingerbread cookie, so you can make it and paint it however you want to. Okay, so I did end up doing one side and just mimicking it on the other side, mirroring it. And there's our golden snitch. And the last one is the lightning bolt. Lightning bolt, same thing, we're just gonna make a border around it. And then to make this one a little bit more festive, I just went ahead and added a few dots to it. The best thing about this project is you can use any symbols you want to and decorate them any way you want. And there it is, my lightning bolt is ready to go. Okay, I ended up figuring out what I wanted for Harry's glasses, so I'm just going to make a couple of swirls on the inside and some dots. It's funny how a little bit of design like this makes a huge difference. And there they are, ready to go. Okay, now we're going to add some twine to the back of our ornaments, because of course they are ornaments. So you're going to cut out a little bit of twine. And this is going to be hot glued onto the back of each of our ornaments. You just want to make sure that your ornaments are nice and dry so that nothing smudges. And here they are. Aren't they so cute? And they look really yummy, and they kind of do look like gingerbreads. This project was the great project to finish off the series, and here they are on my tree. This is what all my projects look on my mini Christmas tree. I got this tree at the dollar store, and I just bunched up 4 trees together. I want to thank you guys for being here with me, for watching my videos and supporting me. It really means a lot. And please comment down, let me know what was your favorite from the series, and let me know too, what do you want to see after this series. It is a little bit hard for me sometimes to upload just because I do have a normal life and this is my hobby, but I'm very happy to go ahead and make these videos and post them up whenever I can. So please subscribe, share my channel, like this video as much as you can, watch it. It really does help out. I wish that everyone has a very happy and Merry Christmas, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks you guys, bye.